We're also going to keep track of, this is our slot right here, right? And we're going to keep track of that. Well, what if instead of starting way back here, what if we took our first bite about a machine length, and we're going to pretend the top of our pad here is where our dirt's going to end. What if we came back about the length of our machine and we really buried our blade and loaded it up right here? And so we've kind of got a slope coming into it. We hit grade right about here, and all of this we're gonna represent all of that material gets pushed there and is to grade. So that section right here forward is to grade. Well, now what if we go back and we go about a machine length beyond where our grade starts, about there, and we do the same thing. We're going to load up with our dirt. There it is, full blade. We're down to grade right about here, and so we're going to shove that into our pile.